2020 has proved a totally challenging year globally, due to pandemic. School is the most insecure place felt by parents, as the normal class contains nearly 30 to 50 students. So, have you disinfected your school classes ever? Probably never. Minimizing germs found on surfaces by using proper cleaning and disinfection techniques is one way we can prevent the spread of infectious disease. Today more than ever, it is important that all schools take the appropriate measures to help protect their surfaces against the threat of harmful bacteria, molds, and fungi. We understand the importance of creating a cleaner and more hygienic environment so parents, teachers, staff, and students can have greater peace of mind. That's why Shuddhi has developed a process that provides a new generation of disinfection system can use in schools. It is imperative that school implement a disinfection program to eliminate risk of infection.